Title: Alice and the Spooky Underground Adventure. Once upon a time in the small town of Willowood, there lived a little girl named Alice. One day, Alice and her group of friends became curious about an old and spooky house on the corner. Everyone said that the basement of this house was really scary and had lots of secrets. Alice, a brave and curious girl, decided to go on an adventure alone into the mysteries of the basement. With her small flashlight, Alice went underground. The basement was filled with shadows and strange things. Alice looked for hidden passages and secret rooms. With every step, she heard strange sounds coming from the dark corners. At one point, Alice found herself in a dark and tiny room. She realized it would be hard to find her way back. In that room, there were things she had never seen before. There was an eerie sound of an old, gray, glowing paper scattered on the floor. Suddenly, Alice's flashlight went out, and she felt completely lost in the darkness, hearing spooky sounds from the corners. Alice's little brother, Tom, who had been looking for his sister, finally joined her in the underground. With his flashlight, he found Alice in the dark room. Alice was scared, but with her brother there, she felt safe again. Tom smiled and said, "I'm here, Alice. You're never alone." Hand in hand, they came out of the spooky underground. This adventure brought them closer and showed that as long as they have each other, they can overcome anything. The end.